And today we're going to be talking about the Aged and Charred Premium Cocktail Smoker Kit. That's right, this is how you smoke your whiskey when you're at your bar. Basically, you light a little fire, you trap it in, it goes in the glass, and your whiskey is going to take the flavor of that smoke, making that shot that much better. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the camera down, take a closer look at what's in the box, and then we're actually going to try it out. So let's get to it. All right, so you can see it comes in this big wooden box. This is a very well made wooden box. You can see it's got hinges in the back. It's got the big rivets on top. Great for that presentation. It has the logo up here on top. It's actually laser burnt in. And then you open your clasp here. When you look inside, this is everything that you're gonna get. They do have a quick start guide and a manual on top. You're gonna get 4 different types of wood chips, including apple, cherry, oak, and hickory. On top of that, you're going to get fuel or butane for your torch. You're going to get the torch itself, and you will have to fill it when you get it. You're going to get a cleaning brush. You're going to get an extra wire cup, and I'm going to show you what this is for. And then you get the actual, and then you actually have the smoke lid itself. This is where the actual little screen goes into. And the way it works is you basically set this on the cup, you put a pinch of wood in there, you light it with the torch, and then you put this on top and it forces all the smoke down into the glass. But rather than talk about it, let's go ahead and show you how to use it. All right, so we have everything that we need out right here. We have the smoker chamber, the lid, the wood chips, and the torch. And we're gonna start out by taking the chamber and setting it on top. Then you're gonna open up. We're gonna try the cherry wood. I'll bring this a little closer to you. And we're just going to take a pinch of this and put it inside there. You don't need a lot. And now we're going to take the little torch. You're going to hold it about 2 inches above. And you're going to get it to where the smoke starts going down inside. And then set the smoker lid on. And you can see that it is forcing the smoke down into the glass. And now we just let it sit there until the smoke kind of settles down. Just going to give it a minute. The cherry wood does smell really good, and we haven't even tasted the colored water in the glass yet. All right, so it's been sitting in there. You can see that the smoke is now more dense towards the liquid, and it's no longer at the top. So we're just going to go ahead and take this off, and then it's all done, ready to serve. How cool is that? So this is going to be a great addition to any bar. It's going to be a great gift to any drinkers that you may have in the house, or any aficionados who like that extra charged smoke flavor. And it comes in a really nice kit. It's a great presentation. It's a solid wooden box that all these pieces come in for storage. The actual smoke chamber and smoke lid are made out of solid wood as well. You do get the stainless steel screens, you get the torch, you get everything you need, and it's going to do a great job, and it looks great. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.